some gas in the car, and we are on our way to see T-Pain. We're gonna go see T-Pain, drift around, and I'm gonna get some good shots, take y'all along. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to follow on TikTok, everything, all of the sorts. It's free to do that. So we're trying to hit 1,100 on YouTube, we're trying to hit 1,000 on TikTok, so let's get it. We're here walking the paddock, finally, for Drift Symphony 2. We're gonna look for our buddy Andrew and say hey to him. There he is. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
You want to shout out your channel or your Instagram?
Just Andrew Drizmo, D-R-I-Z-M-O.
There you go.
Some people put an S, some people put a C.
The unfortunate reality about some of these drifting events is what's cool and not cool is that they make a lot of smoke. So how do you get cool shots with all of this smoke? At a longer distance, it's going to be quite difficult. But if you get them like where this gentleman is, you get some pretty cool shots, and I'll show you some examples. This is my friend, Andrew Drizmo. You guys saw him at the beginning of the video. This was my main focus. This is who I was shooting for at the event. But as you see how far away he is, it's all hazy. It's all smoky. And you could dehaze this, but then it starts looking artificial and fake. So what you kind of got to do is really get them as they come out of the smoke. Absolutely impeccable shot by me. Whoa, Michael. Stay humble. Anyways, yeah, this is an insane shot. But as you see, I'm closer, and it's like he's coming out of the smoke. It's like he's surrounded by the smoke. And then I did some things with this photo to make the smoke more pronounced. Took the brush tool in Lightroom, brushed all the way on the outside of the car where all the smoke was, brought down the dehaze and brought up the exposure a little bit, and it really makes that smoke pop around this car. Made our way back to the paddock, went to go touch base with my friend. He had not been on track yet, and that's where I ran into this guy. If you don't recognize this guy, it is Mr. Tallahassee Payne, aka T-Pain, aka, I mean, you should know who T-Pain is. It's T-Pain. Made iconic songs like I Love the Bartender, I'm on a Boat, Get Low. I mean, come on, the list goes on and on. Absolutely super nice dude, and he's gotten so much better at drifting since last year. The dude can absolutely rip, but then we had to get back to it because my friend was about to hit the track. I got my picture with T-Pain, but Andrew's about to go out, so that's who we're here to shoot for. So, we have to do our job. You guys mind being quiet? God damn. There's Andrew right there. So he got access to the track, a completely clear track. The Nappy Boy Automotive Ford Focus ST had a bunch of cameras on the back, and he was just giving chase. Just a cool solo moment on the track, and I was able to get some pretty good shots here. Really happy with how these came out. With that solo session done, it was time to go back to open drift. This is where all drivers of all different skill levels could kind of get on the track. That was really cool about this event, is that T-Pain and Nappy Boy Automotive really wanted to do some good for the drifting community. So all the drivers were of different skill levels. So you had some newer drivers, some intermediates, and then even professional levels, a couple that were from Formula Drift. So that was pretty cool to see and experience. One of the main reasons why I don't like shooting drifting, I just cleaned my camera. And one pass, and it is absolutely covered in rubber. So that's just something you got to deal with.
Dude,
to be doing Palmer and I's favorite competition. Literally, probably one of the highlights of this entire event. Is
well, while you're down here, shout out your channel.
Hey, Fast Films!
I hope someone was like, oh yeah, we got 5.
All right, let's see if it's on there. Let's see.
That's cool. Dude, I got a really cool one on my camera.
I want to see that GoPro footage.
Here's Felt having his attempt at trying to get the mount off. Took us about 15 minutes and multiple tries taking turns getting this mount off. But we finally did it. Thank you, Andrew, for being the last attempt. But this was cool as a photographer. I have some experience in media and like videography and stuff, but I just don't have any of the equipment. So it was cool to see this, to see the behind the scenes, and it felt, and from Brent back here having his attempt at getting the mount off, two very amazing videographers. So go check them out. I'm gonna put their page up here, but I'm also gonna link it in the description. So check them out. Seriously, they're amazing.
Oh, whoa! God, dude, this guy.
Hey, you need to go that way. I got you. Hey, you don't understand. Ethan's about to do the hardest edit on this fucking
Dude.
vlog. Wait a minute, dude. More.
Oh! It was an absolutely gorgeous day. Now that the sun's down, it is freezing. It is cold. It is cold. Oh, and we got this little light display going. Yeah. One thing that I will say about this event, from last year to this year, the production quality has absolutely exploded. It's so good. It's been a great event so far. Really loving it, getting some good shots. So we're going to the final couple hours now. It's about to be lit. Night photography is hard.
So I was going to talk in this video, but I'll just do a voiceover because it was quite difficult to talk because a lot of the big dogs came out when it was nighttime, so the engines were loud. But what I was gonna say is nighttime photography is hard. You got to use the light that's given to you, and my camera is not super good in low light conditions, so I had to really play with what I had. So as you can see, I'm having to use these little pockets of light scattered around the track, and I'm able to get some pretty neat stuff. And the stuff that I was really happy with wasn't even super in focus. It was a lot more of the abstract stuff, as I'm about to show here. I really liked the look of some of these, and they're not perfect and pristine, but I feel like it really captures the dark and the different lights going on, and I thought it was really cool. Like I said, the production quality from the first Drift Symphony to this one was just insane. I mean, just take a gander at this. We got fed. This lady was super nice. Fed us some chicken and sausage gumbo. With it being so cold out, oh my god, this hit. This was so damn good, man. This was so good. Is it even a drifting event if this song is not playing at least once during the event? The mount that holds my phone, how I get those POV shots, is busted, and I wanted to prioritize videos, so I didn't get any videos of T-Pain drifting.
Alright, let's do this.
What you are about to see is A, one of the highlights of my photography career. This was so insane. And B, this was done on a closed circuit by a professional. YouTube, please don't take this down, because one of my videos already got taken down on TikTok because it was deemed dangerous. But this was a professional driver on a closed circuit. It was a sanctioned event. YouTube, please, for the love of God, don't take this down.
Yeah. I've never done one of these before.
Oh, okay.
It's nice and toasty in here.
Oh yeah, dude, I turned that AC on or heat on.
Woo!
Turn it back down though. It gets hot in this fucking car. I just needed a little bit of, you know, juice.
I've never been in a drift car before. Is this still on? Oh shit. Let me get this more secure. Never done one, so I'm like,
Fuck, I wish I had a fresh pair of tires. Fuck it, we'll rip with this.
no, you're good, dude. I'm hyped, and I'm super hyped that it's with you, bro. Like, I'm pumped. This dude's.
Fuck yeah, that's sick.
Yeah, I'm hyped, dude. This shit's gonna be insane. Let's tighten up. Oh shit, dude. Do you ever get nervous doing this?
What?
Do you ever get nervous doing this?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not nervous right now.
What?
My tires are bald.
Holy shit! Oh my fucking gosh! You're fucking nuts, dude. That was sick. Oh my god, dude, that was nuts.
On bald tires, too.
Holy shit, you killed that run, dude. Oh my god. Appreciate that, dude.
Yeah, bro.
That was sick as fuck.
Sure, that was actually really fun.
That was clean.
The car actually performed pretty
Dude, one thing, like, for me, dude, like, obviously I can see from the outside, like, how you run.
Yeah.
In here, it's crazy how much control you have.
Oh, for real?
Like every now and again, I would pan the camera over, and your car was just, like, ridiculously sideways, and you have, like, perfect control. It was so awesome to see, dude. It is a completely different perspective when I'm photographing you from the outside.
You see it from the inside.
Yeah, from the inside, it's so, it almost felt calm. I know you know what I mean?
It is a little calm. I try to make my drifting calm.
Like, it was just insane.
Trust me, dude.
Crew chief of the year?
Yeah, right?
Did you guys see him driving today? It's pretty good, right? He's a little different.
Next to Petit Le Mans 2024, this was probably one of the coolest events that I've gotten to do. So thank you, Andrew, for letting me photograph for you, hang out with you for the day. It was a fun day. It felt like a party the whole time I was there. From hanging out with Brent and Felt and Andrew, getting to take a photo with T-Pain, getting to see all the cool cars, meeting tons of new different people. It was absolutely insane. It is definitely a night that I'm going to remember for a long, long time. Just the community that's involved with this kind of stuff, having people come over and like getting fed. That was a very cool moment where a lot of people in the community kind of came together. We ate together. It was very cool. I'm going to remember this moment forever. Also, during the karaoke portion, I got probably one of my top 5 favorite photos I've ever gotten. This dude absolutely killed it at karaoke. He should probably do this full time because this guy was absolutely insane. But while he was doing karaoke, I got this shot. I think next to my Roman Grosjean shot, this is probably up there as my favorite. Definitely my number 1 or 2 favorite photos I've taken this year. Not bad for a 13-year-old camera with a 70 to 300 millimeter lens with a broken motor on it. Not bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks like it could be an album cover. I'm manifesting right now. That was absolutely insane. That was such an insane event. That was so awesome. Thank you to Feltz Films for hanging out with me. Appreciate you, Brent, Andrew, everybody, dude. Like that shit was insane. That was amazing. The event was a bazillion times better than last year. And shout out to Ricardo that I met. T-Pain was super chill. He was very awesome to talk to. Got a picture with him. That was my one time being a fan. And then I went right back to work. Rob, Hertz, that whole event was absolutely fucking phenomenal. Cannot wait to see more. Hopefully I get to shoot more. My voice is kind of raspy because I've been yelling and screaming, having a good time at the after party with the karaoke stuff. That was insane. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys learned anything in this video or saw something cool, really appreciate it if you guys leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, that was fucking insane. All right, peace out, guys. Later.